Welcome to an easy screen recording tutorial. Today, let's learn how to record your iPhone screen using the Screen Recorder app. First, install and open the Screen Recorder for iPhone app. From the main screen, you can choose the video resolution, bit rate, and frame rate per second. Then, tap on Start at the middle of the red circle. Turn on the microphone if you want to capture external audio. When you're ready, tap on the Start Broadcast option to initiate screen recording. Let's test and record a gameplay using the screen recording feature. To end your recording, drag down the Control Center menu from the top right corner. And tap on the live screen recorder icon at the bottom. Next, open the Screen Recorder app for iPhone. Tap on Export at the top right corner. And select your preferred resolution to export the file. Finally, save the recorded video on your iPhone library. That's it for today. Download the Screen Recorder app from the description. Subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of more videos.